Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Marshmallow Peeps using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and a touch of vanilla extract. Also, prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper and having a piping bag ready. Don't forget your favorite food coloring and sanding sugar for later. Now, let's create that fluffy marshmallow base. Start by blooming 2½ teaspoons of gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes. In a separate saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, heating it to exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin while whipping on high speed. Once the syrup is incorporated, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue whipping the mixture for about 10 minutes until it's thick and forms stiff peaks. This creates the perfect marshmallow texture. Next, carefully transfer the warm, fluffy marshmallow into your piping bag. Now for the fun part. Pipe small, chick-shaped blobs onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Let these adorable shapes set uncovered for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight. Finally, it's time to bring your peeps to life. Once they are fully set, gently dust each marshmallow chick with your chosen colorful sanding sugar for that classic sparkle. Then, grab your edible food markers and carefully draw on tiny eyes and a cute little beak for each peep. Store your finished, delightful marshmallow treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make marshmallow peeps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.